Hey, what's up, everyone? It's TechWares. So, Google can read all of your Gmail emails and attachments to train its AI, unless you opt out. So, if you have a Gmail account and you haven't messed around with the settings in years, then this is probably enabled for you. So, you have to go in there and disable it, and I'll show you how. So, this article from Malwarebytes, it just goes over the news that Gmail can read your emails and attachments to train its AI unless you opt out, and it shows you how to opt out. But I'm just going to show you a visual of it in this video. Go to your Gmail account on the top right. Oh yeah, this is on desktop. So if you're doing it on mobile, it might be different. But on desktop, you go to the Gmail, open up your Gmail inbox, click on the cogwheel settings right here, and then go to all settings. Just making sure you guys can see this. Yes, so go to see all settings. Once you're there, scroll down until you see something called Smart Features. So as you can see, for me, I've disabled it. It says turn on Smart Features and personalization. Personalization. All right, so make sure those are all off. Okay. Make sure everything that has something to do with smart features is turned off. So as you see, smart features, turn on smart features in Gmail, chat, and Meet. Turn it off. Uncheck it. Then click on Manage Workspace Smart Feature Settings, and then make sure they're both disabled. So as you can see, for me, they're disabled. And click Save, and that's it. That's how you turn off the Google's AI from training on your Gmail account, reading your emails, and going through your attachments. It's a very, very bad privacy feature that they have. So that's it, really it, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Um, if you have multiple accounts, you might have to go through all of them and turn it off. It's gonna be a little bit time consuming for all those people that have like 5 email accounts. But if you care about your privacy, honestly, if you care about your privacy, if you care about your privacy, like hardcore, Gmail is not what you should be using. But hey, it is what it is. Almost everyone has a Gmail account, including me. So that's really it, guys. Take care, everyone. Peace.